Good morning! Happy day 5 of Vlogmas!
Yeah.
Madeline's wanting in this one.
Yeah. Did you know they actually climb trees?
Fossils climb trees, guys.
New animal I've never seen before.
She's looking at her National Geographic book and just learning about all the animals. She has the option to do whatever her little heart desires in the morning. She has a morning basket she can work on. She has the library books. She can play with her toys.
Yeah.
This morning it's predators. Today we are doing Christmas school. Yes, Madeline, Christmas school. It's very exciting. Yesterday it took a long time to get the DAS, so I need to work on some outfits. But we're gonna do school first.
Okay.
You ready?
Can I finish this book?
How much you got left?
This much.
There's a lot.
But I never have them.
And Madeline is being super needy today. For those of you who don't know, I don't drink coffee, but I love hot chocolate. Like, it's my favorite. But I love Starbucks hot chocolate and I love making hot chocolate at home. It's not exactly the healthiest thing to drink first thing in the morning, but I found a healthy alternative. The GNC has a Girl Scout Thin Mint protein blend, and you can actually make this into a pretty decent hot chocolate. Let me show you how. Favorite mug. You're gonna wanna put it in room temperature water. 1 scoop of protein powder. And these are really helpful to blend it together. Microwave that for like 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, depending on your microwave. And then you're gonna want to stir again. So you're gonna want to add some whipped cream. You gotta have a little fun. A little hard to do with my left hand. And add some drizzle. Much healthier hot chocolate for you. Turn the page. Finish the whole book. Great job, sweetie. Is anybody else's dog this needy? Oh, did I offend thee? Okay, a little camera shy today. Oh, it's a cute needy. Yeah, see, it's a cute. Yeah, it's there. All better.
You get some love. Yes, yes, you will.
There.
Yes, you're a cute little needy. Is it fun?
Yeah. What did we just finish?
Language arts.
We just finished the entire language arts course.
And
All right.
do you want to share with our friends our little...
Oh, you can tell them all about your little system here.
We made a new system. It's where we put stickers on our language arts or math book, so then we know I got language arts and math done. I also have a rainbow Pegasus.
Very pretty. We just finished up homeschool this morning. It's 12 o'clock, lunchtime. So we're gonna have some lunch and then I'm going to figure out some outfits for Disney. We are having some great lighting today. Hashtag not. Sorry. So we just had lunch. Olivia is down there on the floor.
Playing with my Lincoln logs.
Playing with Lincoln logs.
And some blocks.
Lincoln logs and blocks.
From here to here.
I'm gonna show you how I plan out Disney outfits. I start with the computer and I throw a whole bunch of ideas together and then pick the best idea and what I think will work. And then I'll show you all that. But I'm going to show you guys, if you don't know, I do make my own Disney t-shirts, but it's been super busy this year and I have a million other things to do. So I had to pick and choose my battles, and Disney t-shirts and making them were not one of them. So I bought some Disney t-shirts off Amazon. I let everybody pick out what they wanted. This is what Jessie wanted. This is Alan's. They just came in last night. Olivia got hers, I got mine. I'll show them to you if you really want to see them. But if I'm being honest, the reason I started making my own Disney t-shirts was because of the fact that the material didn't hold up. They're supposedly from Disney. Take that for what you will. But like, they're not a good washing material. Like, you can't just like wash and dry these and them hold up. Like, I don't feel like they hold up the best. That's why I started making my own. Because I've been wearing those for like a year and a half. Freaking great. They held up so well. But it just, again, I had to pick and choose my battles and something had to go. So t-shirts were not one of them. But I will show you how I plan out our Disney outfits. So the first thing I do is I go to Canva. Canva is free, but if you want the background remover, you do have to pay for it, but you can totally do this without the background remover. You can also do this on Google Docs, like Google Docs, or like Word Doc, like either one of those. This still works great on, so whatever your preference of platform is. But I have several of these, one for each Disney trip. So the first thing I do on the first page is kind of like inspo. I add in just pictures from Google of what we're going to. So if we're going to like Epcot and Animal Kingdom, I would just add in Epcot. That's one day. So I do one per day. If it was going to just Epcot, I would put in like just Epcot. For Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, the first thing I do is if I have any dresses or outfits that we already have that I want to use, I throw them up there. And if I have anything that I know I'm really wanting to purchase, I put our names up at the top. I add outfits for everybody. Like tan shorts, I just Google a picture of tan shorts. I know Jessie has tan shorts, and I just throw that in there. Collared shoes, any accessories. If I have any type of sunglasses that I want to bring, I will throw those on there too. Just something that is an image super close to what I have, I'll throw that on there. This outfit, jumpsuit, super cute. Abercrombie & Fitch. So is this other green dress. I ordered them both. I tried them on. It did not work for me, so I'm not gonna be able to use those. I'm gonna have to change their outfits. But Alan has a shirt similar to this one. I ordered that, but it didn't work out. These were sold out on Etsy, so that's super fun. But I got these ears. I showed you this on Vlogmas Day 1. Olivia's dress and ears. Those came in. They're great. I did have to reorder the dress in a different size, but she's got those. Those are wonderful. Sweetie, you don't have to crawl around. You can totally get up. You're fine. No worries. It's okay. No worries.
I just want to see Dad's shirt.
Yeah. You can come check it out. Yeah. Remember? So we picked out this outfit. And then again, I wasn't sure which shirt for Jessie. He has one similar to this. So I threw that in there to see what it would all look like together. This is a dress that Olivia has. I threw a picture in there of her wearing it. All of us wearing green. Different dress option that I had on Amazon, and I let Olivia pick which one she wanted. That's a maroon shirt that Alan already has. So I try to work with stuff that we already have, not necessarily buy all new stuff, and I just throw in lots of different options to see what we think everybody would be most comfortable in, everybody wants to wear, and what looks good together as a family. I don't personally like wearing all the exact same matching Disney t-shirts. Like, that's not my personal style. I like to also be comfortable at the parks, but still feel like I'm dressed very smart, like very European, very like I'm comfortable, I'm casual, but not look lazy. Like, I want to be somewhere in between comfortable and looking nice and not lazy, and just feeling very confident that I'm going to love our photos, and it just all works nicely together. That's important to me. Olivia has a lot of really comfortable, super cute Disney dresses. Will you come here for this part?
Yep.
I forgot the t-shirts on the back of here. So your Disney dresses, like, you're comfortable wearing them all day? Like, you don't feel uncomfortable or anything when you're riding? I'll link to some of our favorite dresses down below. Like, more as a family, which outfit we want to go with. Like, do we want this vibe? Do we want this one? This one? This one? Like, what we want all of us to look like. But I just come up with, this is what? Yeah, this is like 6 different outfit ideas here, and then we just pick from there, and then I order. Yes, so like, gratefully back out. You're fine, go ahead. This day, we were planning on going to Epcot to Animal Kingdom, so I just picked out outfits. If the boys wanted to change, they don't have to, and Olivia, totally up to them. This could be the morning, which we're going to Epcot. If they want to change, afternoon for Animal Kingdom. This is something easy, like Jesse can throw that t-shirt on under his polo, not a big deal. Olivia's super easy to change, so not a problem at all. And then Alan can just wear either shirt. He has a dress, like a shirt on underneath if he wants to change, totally. Or we can just wear this outfit all day, and I'll let everyone decide what they want to do about that. This was stuff just exploring around, like going and seeing the gingerbread houses and things like that for the morning that we have free time before the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party. Something comfortable to like walk around, go to luncheon. So I threw out a couple different options to see what they want. And then sometimes I'll throw in like travel day outfits, like what we're wearing on the plane, swimwear, stuff like that, so I don't forget to pack those. That's how I plan out all of our outfits for Disney World, so we can all be like super cute and coordinated and everything goes really nicely. And also I have a really good idea of what we're shopping for. Normally I like to plan these out like 2 months. I like to order stuff at least 2 months in advance, but we're traveling next week and I don't have them yet, and I'm not worried about it. I'm not panicked about it because I know there's stuff in the closet that I can totally wear if I don't find something else. So that's the important thing. If you guys have any other questions about how we plan out Disney outfits or pack for Disney outfits, because packing is a really big thing because we fly dirt cheap to Disney. I want to spend all of my money at Disney, not transporting to Disney. So we fly very cheap tickets. I think the cheapest I've gotten was $35 per person round trip. And those tickets do not come with extra luggage. But I've gotten really good at packing all of our stuff in just a personal carry-on item. This time we are taking a carry-on suitcase, and then all 4 of us get personal items, so that really helps maximize our space. So if you guys want any packing tips, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching these vlogs. I hope you guys are enjoying them. I will link the rest of these Vlogmas days down below in a playlist for you. Make it super easy for you guys to check them all out. And we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.